1 ounce gallon measurement.
Yeah, this is an art piece that Emmy did. Isn't that nice? All right, so in this lesson, you're supposed to get some materials and copy what we do. And the whole idea is to learn permanently how many cups are in a gallon. So we want you to try this. So when you get to the materials part, it might be a good time to pause the video and gather materials. All right, enjoy. So how many cups are there in a gallon? To do this activity, we would like you to get some materials from around the house. One, a way to measure a cup. You can use a measuring cup or a recycled 8-ounce drink container. You need water. We dyed our water green. You also need a marking tool. We used a Sharpie. You need a funnel to pour the water without making a huge mess. And we recommend an old towel to clean up. So we poured all these cups in and we found out indeed there are 16 cups in a gallon. If we take our expensive fancy one that I bought from the teacher supply store, there are 16 cups in this gallon too. And if you'll notice, one of the inquiry questions that Emmy and I had was, as you pour, why does the measurement change? And I think we answered it, right? Why does it change?
The curve.
The curve of the bottle. So as the bottle got skinnier, this got a little bit wider because the bottle, as you can see, closes in and gets skinnier. That happened here too, didn't it?
Yeah.
All right. Now we have a challenge for you guys. We want you to make a song about 16 cups being in a gallon. All my song writers, help us.
Please try this at home.